Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Corporate Tax Return Ontario Full Guide. Gather T2, financial statements, payroll records, and your business number before you begin filling forms online or on paper. Verify fiscal period, calculate taxable income, claim eligible credits, and complete schedules accurately. File electronically via NetFile certified software or mail the return to CRA, and pay any balance by the due date to avoid interest and penalties. Start by organizing your corporate books, bank statements, invoices, and expense receipts so numbers match your financial statements. Include T4 slips if you paid salaries, HSD returns where applicable, and records of capital asset purchases for CCA claims. Reconcile shareholder loans and intercompany transactions, and keep backup documentation for 6 years in case of CRA review or audit. Use cloud bookkeeping and labeled folders to speed retrieval during filing and double-check totals. Quick recommendation: if you pack lunches during long tax sessions, try leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy desks. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making clear tax guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and enjoy leak-proof containers that save time between filings. They stack neatly in fridges and resist spills during busy filing weeks. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your corporation's fiscal period, confirm filing deadline, and determine installment obligations to avoid surprises. Prepare the T2 return and relevant schedules, enter taxable income, apply federal and Ontario tax rates, and calculate refundable and non-refundable credits. File using NetFile certified software or through a tax professional, remit any tax owed by the deadline, and save signed copies and confirmation for your records. Consider hiring a CRA-registered accountant if your return involves complex transactions or international operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.